How can you change your profile picture in Signal? So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to change the profile picture, you just simply have to open your Signal app. And after opening the Signal app, you will get to see this profile icon into top left corner. Simply tap into that, and after tapping into there, you will get to see a lot of options. You just simply have to select your profile again. Now after selecting your profile, you will get this option to edit photo. Just simply tap to edit photo, and after that you can easily choose any of the provided options from Signal, or you can select photos and text from your galleries. Just simply select photo if you want to set any of the picture from your gallery, and tap to the save button into the bottom right corner. And after doing this much, your profile picture will successfully be changed into Signal. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.